DIY, do it yourself for the day on a lawnmower. It's gonna be the last video, like before we go out of town. But because we're gonna go out of town to Georgia, and I'm gonna make a video on that, like I did the last trip. But here's a quick DIY. So on this cubcadet 50-inch LTX 1050, you got your air filter right here. It's at the front of the engine, and then you want to change it. Just pull that to the side. Pull this one to the side. I ain't had this off in a long time. And there's that part off. And here's your air filter. You can pull up on this, and there you go. Replace it, clean it, whatever you want to do. That was a quick DIY. Do it yourself on my cubcadet LTX 1050. Not much, but some people out there don't know it, how to do that. So, for me to, show them how. But you would share this video, like it, subscribe, check out my uncle's channel at Spider Creations and Adventures, and that'll be all for today. So thank y'all. Have a good one.